Welcome to my channel, Conversations with Dr. Sue. I am Dr. Susan Musikanth, counseling psychologist and author. And in this episode, I am excited to share with you one of my favorite ways of managing stress, anxiety, and generally balancing one's life. I call it deep muscle relaxation with creative visualization. I'm going to demonstrate with Irene Berman, social worker, colleague, friend, and author. And we're going to see how this method of stress management works also. Besides on anxiety, it works on managing pain. Pain that's unnecessary for diagnostic purposes. So I hope you enjoy it. And my hope is that you'll take this technique into your lives and thank me forever. I know that you have a torn rotator cuff that gives you pain from time to time, intermittent. So what I would like to do is some deep muscle relaxation exercises with creative visualization. But what I would like to know, where you are at the moment, your experience of pain in your shoulder, on a scale from 0 to 10, you felt it just now. Where would it be when you felt it? 0 would be nothing.
I would say about 8.
8. So when you feel it, it's quite sharp. But the purpose of our talk, at the end of the deep muscle relaxation, I want you to see if it's slightly different, even if it's gone down a point or 2.
Okay.
So what we do with deep muscle relaxation is we go from your left critical analytic side of your brain to your right creative intuitive side. And I take you through some exercises that you can take home with you so that you can do it to yourself. And you'll see how you feel after just a few moments of us doing this. I'm going to ask you to tense and relax your muscles. If there's anything that hurts you, like your shoulder, if you tense, don't tense that one. Okay, so tense your fists, bend your arms up to make your biceps tight. Be careful of your shoulder, don't push past it. Move your elbows towards each other to pull across your back. Suck your stomach in. Don't forget to breathe. Press down with your heels and lift your toes up. Close your eyes tight. Clench your teeth, your lips, unless your nose is blocked. Bend your head back. Hold it. Feel that tension right throughout your body. And let it go. Take a deep breath. And as you breathe out, feel any tension flow out through imaginary holes at the bottom of your feet. Let your breathing continue to be deep and rhythmical. Breathing in peacefulness. And as you breathe out, relax further and deeper. You will find that you don't have to try to do anything, just let it happen. Keeping your eyes closed, I want you to tense your muscles as I name them. Your fists, your biceps, your elbows towards each other, your stomach, don't forget to breathe, your legs, your eyes, your teeth, your lips, and bend your neck back. Don't forget to breathe. And let it go. Keep your eyes closed, and as you breathe out, feel yourself relaxing further and deeper. You can let your head rest forward or backwards if you want to, or just stay as you are. As you sit there with your breathing deep and rhythmical, I want you to take your mind to a peaceful place. Somewhere that you have completely and fully relaxed. Put yourself into that scene in your mind and get in touch with the sensations that are there. See the colors and the shapes. Feel the textures that surround you. Hear the sounds. Smell the odors. And taste the tastes. Take a deep breath and breathe those sensations of peacefulness into yourself. And as you breathe out, go deeper. Peaceful and calm. Calm and relaxed. I'm going to slowly count backwards from 3 to 1 a few times. I'm going to suggest lightness with my counting. At 1, you will open your eyes, let them close, and go deeper than you are now. 3 lighter, 2 lighter, 1, open your eyes, let them close, and feel yourself go further and deeper. Every muscle in your body and in your mind is relaxing, peaceful and calm, calm and relaxed. You're doing very well. 3 lighter, 2 lighter, 1, open your eyes, let them close, and feel yourself automatically going deeper, peaceful and calm. Every muscle in your body and in your mind is relaxing. As you sit there with breathing deeper, you're doing very well. Imagine that there's a liquid inside your head. Let it be a color and a temperature that's soothing for you. Feel that liquid massaging the muscles inside your head and your face and your neck. Removing any tension that's there. Leaving the muscles limp and relaxed. You can change your position at any time if you get uncomfortable. Feel the liquid flow into your neck and your shoulders, massaging, healing and soothing, particularly into your damaged shoulder. Feel it healing, soothing and relaxing. It is not going to cure your shoulder, but might ease it somewhat. Let the liquid flow into your arms and your hands, into your back, massaging, healing and relaxing, into your chest, your stomach, doing incredibly well, your hips and pelvic area, removing any tension that's there. Feel it move into your legs and your feet and flow out of the imaginary holes at the bottom of your feet. Take a deep breath, and as you breathe out, find yourself go deeper and further and more relaxed than you've ever been before. Again, I'm going to count backwards from 3 to 1. 3 lighter, 2 lighter, 1, open your eyes. You're doing incredibly well. Let them close and feel yourself automatically going deeper and further than you've ever relaxed before. You're going flatter over your sinus area, which shows that you're in a good state of relaxation. You're letting it happen to you, healing, soothing, and relaxing. I'm now going to count backwards from 5 to 1. I'm going to suggest lightness with my counting, and at 1 you will be able to open your eyes and we'll talk. You will feel as though you've had the best psychological holiday, like you've had a really good tranquilizer with no side effects. 5 lighter, 4, 3 lighter, 2, 1, open your eyes. When you speak to me, you're going to speak as though you've had a tranquilizer, if you know what that feels like. It's going to be a bit slow on the speech. You feel a little relaxed.
Wonderful.
Yes, it's
absolutely
the people who I do this for, whether it's for sport performance or anxiety, they don't ever want to leave my couch.
Oh, it's wonderful.
So I'm going to show you what happens when you close your eyes again. You're going to go even deeper. It's like a first stage of hypnotherapy. It's not hypnosis, but it's the deep muscle relaxation and getting into the right side of your brain. It's the most wonderful skill to have in your pocket. And you can close your eyes and go, yeah, there she goes. She's gone. And your head naturally goes down. And as you go, you're relaxing as far and as deep as your mind wants you to. It takes but minutes. And when you're alone or when you're at home, you can use pieces of this. When you leave me, you will be able to do anything and everything that you want to do. You'll be able to drive your car, you'll feel alert and awake, but as though you've had a proper psychological holiday. I call it Sue's medicine in your mind. And as you sit there, you can visualize some beautiful taps inside your head. These are Sue's taps of all sorts of different medicines. It's analgesic for pain. It's antidepressant. It's anxiolytic. It's anything you like. It's peace medicine. See yourself switching on those taps all at the same time if you want to lift your mood, to relax you, to ease your body pains, anything you like. You can name them as you please. And let Sue's medicine fill your body and heal you. I'm going to again count backwards from 5 to 1. And at 1 you will be able to open your eyes. And after a minute or two, you're going to feel alert and awake and able to get on with your day. 5 lighter, 4, 3 lighter, 2, 1, you can open your eyes. The wish for people is that they never come out of this, that they stay in that wonderful, peaceful state.
I actually wish this feeling on everybody.
This is what I want to give to you. I want to give it to other people who come here, and I want people to be able to watch or listen and take with them into their lives.
Thank you, Sue. It was absolutely marvelous.
And this is my pleasure too, is to give to you, but to give to a bigger audience as well.
Yeah.
Just walk around the flat a little bit and tell me if you've got any tingling in your fingers or your toes.
Nothing.
Some people's blood flow slows down, their blood pressure goes down, and sometimes they get pins and needles in their fingers, and then I tell them to close their eyes, and the blood flow normalizes, and it goes away. I want to know, maybe not now, but at some point, how your shoulder feels.
Well, interestingly,
yes,
I had difficulty in lifting my arm.
Yes.
Before,
yes,
because it's been quite bad this morning.
Okay.
Maybe because of the cold
and the weather.
But it feels completely normal right now.
And no pain.
No pain. This is actually quite remarkable.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's magic. It's not magic. No,
it's extraordinary.
It's extraordinary.
Yeah, it is.
This is the power of one's mind over one's body. There could be an x-ray that shows the tear on your rotator cuff.
Yeah.
If you need that pain or pressure to tell a doctor, and the doctor needs to do something, I never suggest that you take that away, but I suggest that it's a pressure rather than a pain, so that you know, and I can tell the doctor, this is how it's feeling, I need another cortisone injection or whatever.
Yeah.
But if it's useless to have that pain,
the amazing thing about this is that you have empowered me to help myself by giving me the tools that I can take this away with me and I can do this anytime. And certainly, I mean, I feel like I've been on holiday.
It feels like a psychological holiday.
It really does.
It's the best thing, the best gift that I had from my supervisor, who did his master's and doctorate on hypnotherapy. And he was my master's and doctorate supervisor for depression. But I did an internship for 8 years with him, taking these exercises into hypnotherapy over those 8 years. So I use that when necessary also, when appropriate.
Yeah.